Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the clip into Kinemaster so you can work immediately. Tap Media Browser, choose your file, and add it to the timeline. Once the clip is visible, tap it to open the clip inspector. This gives you audio controls and track options. Make sure you're on the correct timeline layer, otherwise you might mute the wrong clip. This step prepares the project context and gives you access to the tools needed to remove audio, so you can proceed without searching menus later. Once the clip is selected, tap the audio button to reveal volume, mute, and extract options. This is where you control the sound. If you want a quick removal, choose mute and confirm. The clip stays but is silent. If you need more control, pick extract audio. That creates a separate audio layer below the video so you can trim or delete specific parts. After extraction, make sure to select the new audio clip before deleting or adjusting volume, because changes only affect the chosen layer. Finish by playing the timeline to confirm the audio is gone. Playback is your immediate verification. When satisfied, export using your normal settings. Confirm the audio track remains muted before rendering to save time. If you still hear sound after export, make sure there aren't duplicate clips or overlays with audio, or that you didn't mute a copy while another track plays. If that happens, reopen the project, inspect every timeline layer for audio, mute or delete the offending track, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.